using this one ICT strategy, I managed to pass all of my funded accounts very, very easily. This has a 92% win rate. So make sure you're watching carefully all the way until the end so you can get maximum amount of value. So let's get straight into it. As you can see, I have this checklist right here that we need to mark out to make sure we get the maximum amount of profits from this strategy. So we have NAS 100, Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold, and S&P 500. I'm going to be using GBP USD today because it works on all of these, okay? So you only need to make sure you trade within the 7 to 11 London kill zone on a 5-minute time frame. So I'm going to be marking this out right now, and make sure you're on a 5-minute time frame, and you can change it all the way up here. I'm going to be marking this 7 until 11. We're going to only be taking trades in within this time frame. It doesn't matter if you let the trade run after that, but you only take it within this, okay? Now we need to identify if price sweeps Asian sessions buy side or sell side liquidity. Then we look for the reversal opportunities. So I'm going to be marking out my Asian sessions buy side, which is right here, and the sell side liquidity. As you can see, there's 3 areas here which have actually been supported by price. So there's a very, very strong support level right here. So I can tell already that price will go to the upside. But I'm going to still mark this one out just because I'm following the criteria of the checklist, okay? Now, we're going to see if price actually sweeps this area or sweeps the up area above, okay? So if I play price forward, there you go. It just swept the area below as I predicted, okay? So this is going to be our sweep, okay? Now we're going to be looking for a market structure shift with the displacement. And then we execute on the fair value gap, okay? Now, where is our most recent high? You might be asking, which is right here, because the candle before it and the candle after it did not go above it. So this is the most recent high. It's going to be our market structure shift. I'm going to be marking this out as our market structure shift, okay? So I play price forward a little bit, and you can see that price just smashed this area of interest, okay? As you can see, I'm going to be finding the market structure shift with the displacement. You can see there's a very strong displacement right here. And now we're going to be executing on the fair value gap. But just before that, there's some rules on using this method, okay? You can only risk 1% each day, okay? There's no emotional trading and at least a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio, no less than that. Now I'm going to be marking out my fair value gap, which is from this wick right here to this other candle wick, and I'm going to be marking this out really quickly. Write the name of it. Okay. Everything is set up now for us. All we need to do is actually enter. Now we're going to be entering for a buy just on this level, right on this line, okay? And now we're going to be placing our stop loss just on this fair value gap candle. And I will take profit, just as I said, a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. Now I'm going to be playing price forward, and you're going to see exactly how it smashes take profit and how this strategy actually is the best to use on a daily basis. As you can see, it just entered this area, and now when it's going to the upside, it goes with such momentum that it just smashes take profit, and it does so much more even after that. You can see it's gone way, way higher. You could have easily caught a 1-to-5, okay? Now I'm going to be showing you a different example, but just before that, look at the results that my students have been getting. I can see Joe right here has made so much using this, okay? You can see the trades that he's been pulling off, and I've actually passed my funded account very, very easily after backtesting this and mastering this one strategy I'm teaching. I made 3,500 at just the age of 17, okay? More and more people in my mentorship have actually been getting so much results. You can see Mr. Unique's actual trade that I took her, and it's very, very, very good, okay? There's much more students, and we've been seeing much more results like this one, right? But you can get access to all of this for only $50 within my link in the description, okay? I'll guarantee you pass any funded account and 5x your profits. Without my mentorship, you will not pass your funded accounts. I'll just be straight up with you, because the market conditions has changed so much that you need the vision and you need someone to actually bring something which is new. And I've got that new thing, which is in my 2 secret strategies right here, okay? And I'll be teaching you the real way to trade ICT. I have 10 hours plus of premium pre-recorded content just for you, and you can see my reviews right here telling you that it is a very, very good mentorship, okay? I also have a masterclass, but that's only for serious people, okay? I do not accept anyone, which is why I have a waiting list. But if you want to pay that extra $10, you can get in straight away and get to the front of the line. I can make you a funded trader under 3 months flat, guaranteed. All right, it's a one-to-one basis, and you get all these perks right here. But let's get to another example right now so you have a better understanding of this. So I have another example right here. We're going to be going through the exact procedure that we just did, and I'm going to be showing you that it works so well on GBP USD. And I've took so much time just to find this other example because this works nearly every day. Make sure you actually are listening carefully so you can use it. I also have a detailed PDF which is going to be in the description. All you have to do is click on my Telegram link and you will get this whole detailed PDF which is way more detailed and in depth than this little checklist right here. But we only trade within the 7 to 11 London kill zone. I'm going to be marking this out really quickly, which is from 7 right here until 11. Okay, only taking trades within these times. We can let it run after that, but we only take it within it. Now, we need to identify if price sweeps Asian sessions buy side or sell side liquidity. Then we look for reversal opportunities. So just like I did in the other example, you mark out buy side right there, and we have sell side liquidity. Right? Now we see which one actually is going to get swept. Play price forward. I think this nearly got swept. Nope. Still going. There we go. It just got swept. So now we have our liquidity sweep. Now we find a market structure shift with the displacement and we execute on the fair value gap. Just before that, there's some rules on using this method. Okay, you only risk 1% every single day only. Now there's no emotional or events trading within the strategy or you will fail. Okay, you'll fail your challenges. Now I need you to always and keep this in your playbook or whatever. 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio always. So now we need to find the market structure shift. You might be asking, oh, is this the most recent high right here? But I'm going to be telling you it's not, because most recent high is this one. Price before it, the price before it and after it did not actually go above it, which makes this the most recent high. Now when this gets taken out, this will be our market structure shift. I'm going to be marking this out right now. I'm going to be price forward. So you can see this is going downwards. All we need it to do is just reverse, and that's it. Okay, and there we go. We have another area actually that has created a fractional low. I'm going to be marking this out, a fractional high, sorry. Marking this out, I'm putting the market structure shift there and playing price forward. There you go. It just swept it very beautifully right here. For play price forward again, we can see that actually this is going to be our FEG. Okay, this is all we need. We just need the fair value gap and we need to execute on it. I'm going to be placing my buy limit right here on this line and placing my stop loss a few pips below this actual first candle of the fair value gap and at least a 1 to 3 ratio. I could probably go all the way up to this level right here that has been broken. Okay, now if I play price forward, you can see it enters. We do not get wicked out or anything. If I play price forward again, you can see that's going all the way up to the upside and it just smashes take profit so easily. I'm actually the master of this strategy that ICT preached, but I refined it so well I can use it nearly every single day. Make sure you check out my plan in the link in the description. It's completely free. It's going to be the Telegram link. And if you want to join my mentorship and actually become a serious trader and pass all your funded accounts, make sure you click on my Whoop link and join now. Okay, anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.